The Pilgrim's Vitamin C Serum. I can't believe I haven't done a full review independently for this particular product, considering I've been using this for almost 7-8 months. It's been part of my best vitamin C's. Check the video link in description. And I've been raving about it in all my skincare layering. This particular vitamin C from the Pilgrim came to me as a surprise few months back, and I think this is a brand to watch out for. It's also part of my favorite brands from 2020. The videos in the description below. Do have a look. This vitamin C comes packed with some fantastic nourishers and hydrators. It's got sesame oil, it's got almond oil, and it also has vitamin E. All these oils combine together to make it not only nourishing but also very repairing kind of vitamin C. It also has gold peptide. Now, gold peptide is supposed to nourish and brighten your skin and give you this nice glow. I am not so sure. The thing is that this gold peptide is also infused with argan oil, and argan oil is one of the most repairing ingredients for your skincare. And I think it's because of all of these oils together that I'm so much in love with this vitamin C, because my skin undergoes so much of abuse trying all the products, and a lot of times my skin barrier is very compromised, and I have dry sensitive skin, so it's very easy to kind of upset my skin barrier. But this vitamin C I can use through all the times that my skin is inflamed, is irritated, is red, I've had a lot of sensitivity on my skin. I can use this vitamin C. It's very calming. I love the fragrance, and you can almost feel your skin kind of jump up back and be hydrated and moisturized. This vitamin C is also very hydrating because it has sodium hyaluronate in it, and we all know about that ingredient in your skincare, right? It's able to trap a lot of moisture and hydration to your skin and really plump up your skin and make it look nice and healthy and dewy, deeply hydrating and moisturizing. This is an oil-based serum, as you can guess, with those combination of almond oil and sesame oil and vitamin E. So it is highly recommended if you have dry sensitive skin. It may not work so well if you have very oily skin, because you're adding extra oil to your skin. And man, I love the fragrance. It just is so luxurious, the fragrance of it, and I don't have anything against fragrance. I've done videos on why fragrance is all right, and it's one of those things that got exploded because of clean beauty and a whole lot of misinformation on the internet. As long as you know your fragrance is IFRA certified, you are good in my experience. And I've been fragrance free, but now I've been using fragrance products for the last 1.5 years, and I'm so much happier because you just enjoy your skincare so much more. This particular fragrance is IFRA certified, so you can be fairly confident that's not going to irritate your skin. I have such good things to say about the serum to anybody who's looking for a serum. If you have very dry, sensitive skin, if your skin is going through the retinization process, if your skin is very inflamed, is very sensitive, you are on a lot of drying agents like benzoyl peroxide, salicylic acid, which tend to dry up your skin a lot. This particular vitamin C will deliver in terms of calming your skin, not irritating it further, reducing the inflammation, helping you massively with barrier safety and repair. This is what this vitamin C does very well. So I really love this vitamin C, and it really lasts. It has a lot of slip. This particular product's been with me for the last 6-7 months. I wish I could show you the quantity. Can you see the quantity? It's somewhere here. So using it every single night almost, and it still is there. It's going to last me easily for another 3-4 months. So that 500 rupees 30 ml, if it's lasting you 8-9 months, I think it's incredible value for your money. So very affordable, and excellent customer care. For me, it's very important that the customer care is alive and kicking and responsive to their customers. This particular brand has it all. It's one of my most loved products. I'm sounding like a girl so much in love. When I checked it in the editing table, I realized I got to share the fact that it also has some cons. The pros very clearly are that it's a great vitamin C, especially when you are on retinization process, because you want a very gentle product for you. So it's fantastic. It's very nourishing, it's very healing, and it's very hydrating. So it works very well when you have very sensitive skin, very dry skin, or particularly if you are sensitive to vitamin C. And it also works beautifully, when you're having a very lazy day, you don't want to do your whole routine, you just want to do a cleanse. You go in with this vitamin C, nicely massage your face, and you wrap it up with a moisturizer if you need it, and you're done. So it's perfect for the lazy days as well. There are some cons, however. The fact that it's an oil-based vitamin C means you can't use it during the daytime. And if you have a very large amount of actives in your skin, then you might wonder, how do I put in this vitamin C, it's oil-based vitamin C, before my water-based actives? Now, I have been using it before my water-based actives and my skin has been okay with it. So in practicality, it works, but in theory, it typically should not work because it's an oil-based vitamin C. So if you would like to change the routine, then what I would suggest is to use your water-based actives first and then follow that up with your oil-based vitamin C. The other con is, of course, if you have very oily skin. I'm not so sure how it's going to go. So keep in mind that you just require 2 drops of it. It works very, very well into your face, and maybe a little drop extra for your neck and your décolleté area. The fact that it's based on the Korean skin philosophy and the Jeju Island and all that, I don't see as a highlight of the product at all, because with all due respect to the manufacturers and the formulators, because I personally don't care for the Korean skincare at all. There's a different lifestyle, there's a different genetic makeup of people. The Indian skin is different, we're genetically different to begin with. So I'm not so sure how that is really a highlight of the product at all. So I'm just going to leave it that as an FYI for you, or as just an information basis for you, that this is based on the Korean philosophy. And if you care a lot for that, then that's a tick mark for this product. Let me know how it goes for you. Until I catch you next time. Ciao.